Let's move on to the next part of Shopify course. Add a domain is very important in order to launch your store. Now go to set up a custom domain in Shopify. You just go to setting, then click on domain here. You can see the domain section. Click on here. Yeah, you can buy a new domain, connect an existing domain, or you can edit your current domain. If you want to edit the current domain, click on change the new myshopify.com domain. Notify that you can change it once, so think carefully before making changes. Your original myshopify.com will still be visible in your admin, and there is no cost to make this change. For example, if I want to change the domain name to Maginette Store, you will see that this domain is not available, so I need to change to other domain. Now I type Maginette Shop, and it is not available, so I choose another domain, Maginette123, then I see it is available. Then I click on Add Domain. Now you see my domain name was changed successfully. You can buy or connect existing domain here. Secure the perfect domain for your store that customer can trust and find easily. Buy a domain name from Shopify or connect a domain that you already purchased from a third party like Hugo or GoDaddy. If you want to buy a new domain name, just click on Buy Domain Name. You type your domain name here. For example, MaginetteStore.com. You see the search result here. This domain name costs $15 a year. I want to buy this domain name. Just click on Buy button. Then choose your payment method and finish your build to get to the domain name. And if you want to redirect to domain, click on domain name, then click on set as primary. Here you can see the result. Alright, by following this step, you can successfully set up a custom domain in Shopify. Next, we will cover more about how to prepare for launching your store.